All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to install mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. It's a little bit different than you would normally do for Minecraft Java Edition. In Java, you pick the mod loader or like the basic API that you want to run mods from, and then you throw a bunch of mods into a folder on your computer. In this case, with Minecraft Bedrock Edition, you get mod pack files that you double click and they self-install. So to show you what I mean, you can go pretty much anywhere you want for Bedrock mods. I just Googled Bedrock mods and CurseForge is the top result. They have a lot of mods in here. And I'm just going to go to Browse All, and a good example of all the things you might run into when having to enable a Bedrock mod is the More Body Actions and the Pickup and Carry mods. These are two mods in one. And these ones require two different file downloads along with the enabling of something called the Experimental Beta APIs setting. So to start out with, we'll go to Downloads. And in fact, they're not letting me download what I want. So I want to go to all the different files. You need to grab the latest edition of the RP version of the file and the BP version. I believe one of these is the behavior pack and one of these is like the resource pack that goes with the mod. So you need one of each. So we'll go ahead and download each of these. And I'm just going to put them in a folder called MCPacks. And I'm going to backtrack. Did that download? It did. I'm going to backtrack and I'm going to grab the BP version of this mod as well, because we need to have both of them in order for these to work properly. Then when we open these up inside of our little download folder, we can double click them and they should automatically, once you give Minecraft administrator permissions to install additional files, it should automatically install the Minecraft files or mod packs in question and then boot up your Minecraft Bedrock Edition. And then once it's fully loaded, you'll know that it's actually installed the mod because it'll tell you that it's imported at the top of the screen. And then it'll make a couple of beeps and it'll let you know that everything has installed correctly. Now, normally you can just install them one after the other and they should import just fine. If for whatever reason they don't pop up at the top of your screen because you should install almost instantaneously, just go ahead and shut Minecraft Bedrock and click the second file and let it additionally launch Bedrock on its own. And then once again, at the top of the screen, it should pop up that the import has fully started and successfully imported the full file for you to use. Now, to use this particular mod, we have to go into Play, we have to go to Create a New World, and then there's a couple things that we need to tweak. So we're going to create a world, and then down here, we're going to go under Resource Packs, and we need to activate the, where is it at? It's the More Body Actions and Carry mod. We'll activate that. And then we need to go to Behavior Packs. And similarly, we're going to activate the More Body Actions and Pickup and Carry. And then the last thing you need to do is enable Experimental APIs, so the beta APIs. And then just say, that's fine, I understand the risks, I'm going to turn that on. And then we are good to go once we give this world a name. Fancy Modded World. And then we can hit Create. And that's basically how you download different mod packs for Minecraft for the Bedrock Edition. All of them download what is called a MCPack file. Like if I go to Properties, this is an MCPack file, and the MCPack files are what you would call just a Minecraft pack for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Now, if for whatever reason when you're trying to install this, it doesn't recognize this as a Minecraft-like file, you can right-click this, go to Open With, and then you can select another program. And then inside of this program list, you should be able to find Minecraft for Windows. And then once you find that, click always inside of the options, and then it'll always run MCPack files using Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a sort of basic look at how you download and install mod packs for Minecraft Bedrock Edition. If you're playing on some servers that have like different behavior or data packs, oftentimes those will download automatically for you, or you'll be prompted to pick one up from the store, but sometimes they revolve around downloading them separately. And if for whatever reason you needed to tweak the My Fancy modded world to activate additional packs of stuff, you can just edit them and go down to resource packs and behavior packs and even experiment and tweak those settings and add more resource packs and behavior packs whenever you need in order to add more mods to your save or to your mod pack that you're playing around with. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.